Hello guys. Try nato ni siya guys. Okay, basig mawala ang itom-itom ani guys. Oh. Tinuod ba ka ni guys? First time nga paggamit guys. Basig mawala ra guys. Basig kuha ra niyang itom-itom guys. Balag maot basta ka wala itom-itom. Thank you for watching guys. Try lang ninyo guys. Thank you for watching.